So now what we're going to do is to show you some ISM workflows. I'm opening up a drawing which we've named ISM demo, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new from repository, or looking at a repository which has a simple pro structure model, and by doing a new from repository we are getting all the data from that structural or ISM repository into Open Plant Modeler DGN. And as you can see that it has brought into all the structural drawing. So now doing an update, I can push any update that I do into the DGN or the structure elements into the ISM repository. Since I did not do any changes, my difference in dialog on doing an update shows blank values. This is a similar dialog that now why we throw when we do check-in and check-out in Open Plant Model Server operations, but with slight changes. The same is being used with ISM synchronization or update from repository. You can control the display of the dialog and what information you want to show in this dialog, and the options are similar in nature. You can also accept and reject the changes as per the requirements. So what we can do now is make a slight change in our structure model and see how update works then. So zooming in, if when these components come into modeler, they act like SMC components. You can use drag manipulators, and here we have just stretched a column and added the length or moved it downwards. Now when I do update, the update repository function now highlights that okay, my curve member actually has changed, and it shows what exactly is changed and how many changes are in there in your update operation. I can choose to accept this change, and when I accept this change, the change actually goes into my repository DGN. I can also zoom in and using the highlight option see what exactly is the change in the model that we are talking about. These change can also be previewed in the window. You can also add a check-in comment. So let's also add another change now. Move the slab dimension and do an update operation again. So this time, as you can see, not just the location change, but also the thickness, length also change. So there are a variety of changes that are showing up now in our differencing dialog. So we can accept these changes, add our check-in comments, and push these changes into our repository.